Hello, and welcome to Wednesday, January 6th. It's a Wednesday, that means an async day. We will not have class together on Zoom, but we will have office hours. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. First is a Google assignment on capitalization. You are going to open this document. There are several mistakes with capitalization. You will fix them. You will fix them. And then when you're done, you will click submit. Okay. The next activity, I think, is a Nearpod on capitalization. Okay. We are familiar with Nearpods, so you know what to do. And that's it for async. I will have office hours from 6 to 7 tonight to help you with the essay, writing the essay. Tomorrow is our final writing exam. You must be present. Many people have been absent this week, so if you are not able to come take the test on Thursday, you need to let me know as soon as possible so we can make arrangements for you to take it at a different day and different time. Okay? From 7 to 8:30, I will be doing speaking tests. So everybody knows their times for their speaking test. Please come at your designated time. And that's it. Good luck.